Machiegni chenro mar kae kacha nyakwar mgajwang' nyinga Lydia Hukeyo. Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto jiwo jo ohala mag pinje maoko mondo mi oti maber gi winjruok mosebetie kind piny Kenya gi piny mar Amerka kuom higni 60 sani. Kolose twak manogolo ne jotend kambi mar Fortune e boma ma Atlanta, Georgia, Ruto yango ni nweng'o biro bedo maber ahinya to e ohala mag teko, udi gi pur kacho gi yorego mag mbui. Man winjruok mono otenre kod kido ma pinje ariyogo osebedo godo kaka demokrasia kod thuolo mar timo ohala.
Outsourcing, call center. They've got an abundance of talent, college-educated engineering talent that's looking for really... Kenya has done very well attracting venture capital to startups, but it continues to fall below its full potential in promoting foreign direct investment. We worked together last year to reform laws that previously discouraged foreign direct investment in tech and business process outsourcing. But Kenya is also going to make similar reforms to encourage foreign direct investment in energy, mining, and green manufacturing. On taxes, Kenya must have a consistent and transparent and fairly administered national tax policy to attract and retain foreign direct investment.
Our focus is on transformative and inclusive growth, anchored by invigorated productivity at the bottom of the economic pyramid and driven by strategic investment in key sectors in our universal healthcare space, our food security expansion program, our agro-processing, affordable housing, the micro, small, and medium enterprise space, and of course, our digital infrastructure. We are committed to attracting significant foreign direct investment by creating a stable, transparent, and predictable business environment.